Hi dear viewers, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel AH Method. This is Mr. Hamid. Here I am present to deliver a new video. Today's topic is transforming sentences according to meaning or function of English second paper for the class 6 to 12. Now let's start with the transforming sentences. Transformation. Sentence according to meaning or function. Now changing types. Changing type is of two types. 1. Conversion. 2. Transformation. Conversion means changing sentence structure with meaning, but transformation means changing sentence structure without meaning. Example of affirmative sentence into negative sentence. Affirmative sentences. Example: Tom is a good student. Now changing. We will change these affirmative sentence into negative at first in conversion, then transformation. Look at Tom is not a good student, full stop. This is conversion of sentence, changing sentence structure with meaning. But in transformation, Tom subject is not a good, opposite word, bad student, full stop. This sentence is affirmative sentiment and this sentence is negative sentiment and this is also negative sentiments, but this sentence is negative structure and negative sentiment, but this is negative structure but positive sentiments as this affirmative sentence. So we have to change transformation, not conversion. Now let's see the transforming steps. Dear friends, transforming steps. Step number 1, affirmative to negative sentence. Here, to change affirmative to negative, we need opposite words. So you must memorize the positive words into opposite words. Step number 2, assertive to interrogative sentence. Step number 3, assertive to imperative sentence. Step number 4, assertive to optative sentence. Step number 5, assertive to exclamatory sentence. And step number 6, exclamatory to assertive sentence. Now let's see the example of affirmative to negative sentence. Affirmative to negative sentence. Example number 1. Only you can change the sentence. Here changing keyword only. Where we find only or alone, we will change into none but, nothing but, not more than, not less than. We have to remember that none but for person, nothing but for thing, and not more than, not less than for number. Here we see that only indicate the person you. So we will have to write here none but, N-O-N-E, none, B-U-T, but, none but. You can change the sentence, full stop. Example number 2. We must respect our parents. Here changing keyword must. We will change must into can't but, can't help, V1ing. So we subject can't but for must. Respect our parents, full stop. Example number 3. He is always punctual. Here changing keyword always and punctual. So, he is the opposite word for always, never. And the opposite word for punctual, late. Full stop. Example number 4. Every teacher loves his pupil. Here changing keyword every. We have to change the word every into there is no dash but. So, THERE there is no teacher. In dash, we will have to write the noun teacher. But loves his pupil. Full stop. Now, let's see the example of assertive to interrogative sentence. Assertive to interrogative. Example number 1. I never drink tea. Here changing keyword never. Never will be ever. It is an assertive sentence. Subject, verb, object. But what is the structure of interrogative? Because we have to change from assertive sentence into interrogative. Remember, the structure of interrogative is auxiliary verb, subject, verb, note of interrogation. Here, at first, we will have to write auxiliary verb. We know that it is present indefinite tense. Here, positive auxiliary verbs are to and does. We will write here do for I and subject I, ever for never, drink tea, note of interrogation. Finish. Example number 2. There was nothing to do. Here changing keyword nothing. Remember that nothing will change into anything or what. When nothing is found as a subject, there nothing will be what. But when nothing is found in the middle or last of a sentence, there nothing will be anything. Here, auxiliary verb at first, they are anything to do, note of interrogation. Example number 3, nobody believes you. Here, changing keyword nobody. For nobody, no one, none. Who? Here, who believes you? Note of interrogation. Example number 4. Everyone hates a liar. Here, changing keyword everyone. For everybody, everyone, all. Who plus negative auxiliary verb. Who. After who, we will have to write auxiliary verb, and the auxiliary verb will be negative auxiliary verb because it is an affirmative sentence. Here the negative auxiliary verbs are don't, doesn't. So we will write here doesn't because here are SES. So doesn't hate a liar. Note of interrogation. Now let's see the example of assertive to imperative sentence. Assertive to imperative. Example number 1. You should speak the truth. Here use second person. In assertive sentence, when a subject will be second person, there we have to follow a structure. What is V1 extension? Here V1 extension full stop. So no need auxiliary verb, no need the subject of second person. Example number 2. We should go out. Again in assertive sentence, when a subject of first person or third person, there we will follow in structure what is let subject V1. So let subject means we will be objective form as let's go out V1. Let subject V1 go out, full stop. Here no need auxiliary verb. Now let's see the example of assertive to optative sentence. Assertive to optative. There are two options in assertive to optative sentence. Option number 1, may subject V1 extension. So may subject our president, oh you are our president, may subject V1, V1 leave extension alone, full stop. And another option is long live subject extension, long live subject our president, full stop. Now let's see the example of assertive to exclamatory sentence. Assertive to exclamatory. Example number 1. It is a very nice room. Here changing keyword a very. Very will be how and a very will be what are. So what are these phrase nice room, subject it, verb is, note of exclamation. Example number 2. I wish I were a king. Here changing keyword I wish. For I wish, if, oh that, would that, had. So for I wish we can write if I were a king, note of exclamation. Now let's see the example of exclamatory to assertive sentence. Exclamatory to assertive. Example number 1. Hooray, we have won the match. Here changing keyword hooray. Mind it, for the word alas, it is a matter of sorrow that, and for the word fie, it is a matter of shame that, and for the word hooray, it is a matter of joy that. So it is a matter of joy that we have won the match, full stop. That's all. So dear friends, if you have any suggestion or question, please send me. And if you are benefited with these videos slightly, please like, comment, share and do subscribe my channel for more educational videos. Then click the bell icon for notification. Thank you all.